Well, today I'm going to give us a quick cook up on some beef stroganoff. Now, beef stroganoff means beef with some sour cream. Here we go. So we'll get ourselves a bit of butter. Now I cheated, I put the water on before because I'm going to put some pasta in this. That's what the dish is going to go with. And I've got the water boiling there so I can drop the pasta in. But we'll get some butter in. I've got some diced beef and I've got 2 bags of it. Now, this is from our cow themselves. It's actually farmed at their property, just in between Grafton and Casino. So I'm just browning off the meat and then I'll add the onion and brown that off, and then we'll get a bit of juice happening from that, and then I can start doing the other ingredients. So bear with me. All right, so I've browned the meat. Now the onions are going in to get browned as well. Oh, hear that sizzle. Beautiful. Move that one over there. I just want to keep that warm, and now I'll add the other ingredients to this one in their juices. So I'm going to add some capsicum. Now I've got red and yellow going in here, and I will get some mushrooms going on. All right, well, we'll get the pasta on. Get that in there. Now I like the thick pasta with this. It just really sets it off really nicely. So we'll get that on the boil. All right, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour just to thicken it up. The juice is in here just to make it like a gravy, but it's just to give it a bit more body to it. And I'm gonna put probably half a teaspoon of tarragon and a dollop of mustard. And give that a bit of a stir up, and then all I've got to do is add a bit of wine to that and then start the taste test. Add the meat in and we should be starting to get there. A bit of white wine, just a splash around. Now I haven't added any salt, so I'll put a bit of salt in that. Touch of pepper. The pasta's just about there. All right, so now that's all ready to go on the capsicum, the juices, the mushrooms, everything there. Now I'm going to add the meat and onion back to it and then give that a bit of a cook for a few minutes. We'll be back to serve that up in a TV second. The last part of the ingredients, the sour cream. Now the one thing you've got to do is turn your gas off so it's not cooking, because it'll curdle real easy. So I'm just going to put this in with the hot meat. So I'm giving that 4 big dollops. So, time for serving up. Well, I'm going to go and sit down around the fire over there. I wonder what Borgie and Leisha are up to right now, because we're going to sit down and have a nice meal.